Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and I'm streaming live at live.pirillo.com. I've got a few friends, virtual companions on this journey. Right now, there are, six of us, if you don't count me. If you count me, there's about six. There's a few of us who are currently here in this particular array. People playing video games, geeking out 24/7, a geek out that never ends. And if you've tuned in over the past week or so, you've seen this Lenovo Legion device on my desktop, especially overnight, because it is 24/7. I can't be awake, all the time. And so I've been teasing it. Not like, hee, you're really brown and black and blue. No, not teasing, but I mean showing it, right? It's been sitting here on my desk. I've been waiting to not be sick to be able to, take it out of the box to see what happens to be inside. Now, of course, on the side, I've got generic specs. Of course, I'm saying, of course, like, naturally, of course, it's running inside. There's it's not running right now. It's not plugged in yet. At least not that I know of. An Intel Core i7-12800HX, 2 gigahertz, 16 gigs of RAM. Storage has got a 1 terabyte SSD. The GPU is the RTX 3070 Ti. The display is probably the most interesting thing to me about this device because it's got a 16-inch WQXGA display. So I'm really, out of everything, all the specs on the box, the thing I'm most looking forward to is specifically the screen. Now, Lenovo sent this, and I'd asked, hey, you ever get something new you may want to pass along so that I can showcase in front of all these geeks and nerds? Feel free. So that's exactly what they did. So I don't really know, because I wasn't given like a press kit or anything that came along with it. All I have is what's in this box with Lenovo tape. Like, that's how you know when they give you the Lenovo tape. It's not just like, masking tape or whatever. I don't think this has been touched since it was manufactured. We're using the Darth Vader scissors to unbox. And as you see below me, we've got the regular array of people who are streaming live with me alongside in the geek out that never ends. If you want to join, feel free. Anybody can. Even if you're not a video game player, if you like doing stuff on the desktop, you like geeking out, every night around 6 p.m. or so, we do geek out about one topic or another. I'm not really someone who's into specs. Now that I see GRB saying nice specs, I mean, I notice these things, certainly. But to me, it's all about performance, right? It's all about that experience, the overarching, not so much about performance, more about the overarching experience. This is what you get when I unbox something live. Oh, God, that was heavy. I pulled it out. Whomp. All right, this, I assume, will be the power brick. It is a brick and a half. Ooh, this is a big one. This is a big one. Huge. It's like, I caught it. How long is this? Let me grab I've got a Darth Vader clipboard that Mike sent. I'm going to measure the brick here. This is approximately 19 centimeters. So it's like I caught a 19 centimeter power brick. This is my version of fishing. I've not gone fishing ever since, I can't even remember the last time I went fishing. What's this here? What is this? It's something that must be important. It's along with the power, but I see the cable right there. Not satellite, but cable. What is this? Hang on. So it looks like it's something that opens up somehow. Like a key. Oh, there we go. Hang on. There, finger marks to pull out there. What is this? Okay, I must learn what this is. I've never seen. Oh, I see. It's perfect. Look at this. They thought of everything. So it's a little tool, as well as, I assume, keyboard, what do you call it, switches underneath the keys and the keycaps right here as replacements. That is awesome. I have never in my entire life, and it's even Legion branded, never in my entire life, in using laptops, in unboxing laptops and computers, never in my, I didn't even know what it was. Never, have you ever seen something like this? No idea. Now I'm spoiled. Now I'm going to be opening up every other laptop going, okay, where's the kit? Where's the keycap replacement? Where are the switch replacements in the tool? So, wow, good on you. That is spectacular. Seriously. It's the small things that kind of impress. So I'm already, I haven't even seen the laptop and I'm happy with that. All right, now we get to the meat of it. Okay, I'm vegan, so it's not really the meat. The tofu of it. The laptop of it. All right. I'm gonna set that down, make sure I have everything out. I do. This is the box that you're probably accustomed to seeing. Love this design here. Some styrofoam. Laptop here. That way. I'm trying to pull it off, but it's just easier to do it this way. And here I would assume if there are specs listed. No, it's just a regular old box. What's neat about these this box, if I hold it up above or over my face, above it. If I hold it up above my face, it's just going to focus on my face. This is a continuity camera that I'm using right now. But anyway, so it's Legion. You can see the reflection of StreamYard there. StreamYard, of course, sponsoring the live stream at live.pirillo.com. But look at those stickers. That's cool. You can't see my face. Now it can. Where did Chris go? He's behind. Chris go? Like, I'm shortening. Anyway, nice box. Heavy box. This is a very, very heavy. You know it's a serious machine when it's the box itself. Well, okay, the box is probably lightweight, but the device itself is a beast. And that's kind of what the Legion series is known for providing quality experiences, at least in relation to gaming, high-performance computing that you might need. Me. Now, you're wondering, oh, Chris, do you play games? I do play games. People pop into the live stream and I'm playing like Tetris and what have you. But what's the game that is going to be released like within the next day or two? That's right. Jedi Survivor. So I will be playing Jedi Survivor. Oh, okay. Now I'm kind of disappointed. Impressed, but disappointed. But like they put the rainbow Lenovos on the cellophane rather than on the box, which, again, it kind of kept the box clean. But still, I thought that was kind of a neat thing. You don't see enough of that. Nice touches here. All right, now we're going to see if we get a box fart. No, we got a box plop. You don't lose any points if you don't do box farts, because there's no good box farts anymore. I'll lift it out. There's no easy way of lifting it. There we go. Just pull up the cloth. And then what do we have in here? The rest of it. Open the door. It's a magic door to Narnia. And instruction booklets, as well as I assume disclosures, disclaimers. Nothing else in there. Just that. That was it. And then we have the laptop itself. Hope it has enough space. I know. Oh my God. I heard. I have not installed it yet, but I will be streaming it. So here we have the laptop itself. Some initial notes. It looks like the Legion branding will glow, will light up. That's kind of neat. Looks like I have, speaking of glow, I've got some filament there. Filament finds its way into wacky places. I printed the Bortus from the Orville. This is my recent figure prints. Just finished him. Got it off to Tom Constantino, an editor on the Orville. I'll be sending the Bortus figures to that team soon. Anyway, back to the actual laptop, the star of the show. What I find most interesting about this, with the top or the lid closed, is you've got the ports on the back. We've got HDMI and USB, and let's see here, super speed. What is that? Is that a charge? Oh, I assume that's how it charges on one of the ports. Ethernet adapter, and the rest of this are just grills, I assume, for the fan. Just to, again, you're probably going to heat up. It's going to be, a speed demon. We got USB on this side, or is that the Kensington lock? No, it's super speed. The camera shutter's got a switch on the side, a headphone jack. On the other side, I see a couple of, there's the Thunderbolt right there. I'm not sure whether it's Thunderbolt 3 or 4. I may have missed the Kensington slot. Either way, let me move that slightly out of the way. And for whatever it's worth, I am streaming this live. So if you're thinking, where's the quality? Why is this not 4K? I'm streaming live, dude. Because that's half the fun. There we go. Lifted it up. Did not have to push the keyboard down because this is weighty. This is definitely not a lightweight laptop, but that's a good thing. Because if I'm going to be playing video games, I'm not looking for lightweight. I'm looking for performance. There we go. Pull this away. Core i7. We got eSupport, a QR code over here. It looks like a keyboard combo. FNQ is something blue. Oh, it changes. Oh, I see. So we've got I assume cool, automatic, or hot. So you can change the speed, assumedly, with that keyboard switch. That's just if I'm to decipher what that is on the side. Then the Lenovo, not tag, but the brand on that side. We'll see if we're powered up as I spit all over the new lap. Isn't it great? You just get a new lap and you start drooling, and then and it's everywhere. Let's see if I can lift that up a tiny bit to get you up and over that mic or the. Oh, hang on. Why does someone has to be ringing the doorbell right now? Why? I can't be everywhere all at once, people. I can't. Hang on just a second. Give me a second to see if I can get to Diana. I don't know if I'm probably gonna get it's Jedi's friends come asking if she can come over and play. There we go. Now you can see it a little better. Audio by Harman. Let's go ahead. It's very clear where the power button is, and I appreciate that. Right there in the middle. I assume that's the power button. I assume it's got power. Press it in a little longer. Or do I need to plug it in first? I might need to plug it in first. That's got to be the power button. No, that has to be, yeah? It goes in. I don't think there's another power button. Okay, I'm going to plug it in. The battery may not have come charged. And I assume, like I said, the battery's in there. And maybe it always needs to be plugged in. I have, again, no context for this. Plug it in. Yeah, of course. I will. I'll plug it in. I will. I'm getting there. Come on. Patience. Giving you a nice little walkthrough live. Lucky for me, I happen to have an open adapter option over here. Let's see. Okay. Oh, interesting. So that's not a USB-C. It looked like a USB port in the back, but it's actually the power port. Fascinating. Okay, it's a 300-watt brick, for whatever it's worth, for anybody who's asking. Like this. Plug this in. There we go. Okay, now she's plugged in. Now, now it's lit up. Look at that RGB. Oh, man. Ooh, it's cool. It's all rainbowy. I do love that. I've always been a fan of the RGB stuff. I'm glad it kind of took off with the gaming culture. Oh, okay. Am I in? Did I boot it? That's it? That was the boot sequence? Okay. As I say, it's usually got to set up for the first time. Just a moment as you watch this get booted up live. So like I said, I'm gonna be throwing a lot of stuff at it. It's got light up front too. That's really nice. So and right now is the rainbow fading? Yep, the rainbow, it's moving, so it's not just a static light. And I assume a lot of that is configurable on the actual in the actual device experience. Where are we? We're in the US. Well, let's see here. Is it a touchscreen? I don't think it even needs. I'm not really a touchscreen guy. Nope, not a touchscreen. Don't need it to be. Is that the right keyboard layout? Yeah, we'll say. Should I go with Scottish Gaelic as a keyboard layout? Anybody? Do I want to add? No, I don't want to add another one. Oh yeah, I think that's a nice screen. Let's connect me to a network. Okay, this is gonna take. Oh, how can I do this? Okay, I'm gonna connect to the network, and I'm gonna continue the experience because I'm not gonna belabor this. Thank you for tuning into the unboxing. I'll be sharing the experience live on live.pirillo.com. Of course, you'll see me playing with it. You'll see it on the desk, glowing and RGBing as it's prone to do. And you'll be hearing more about the experience in the coming weeks. So feel free to tune in if you want. Ask any questions you might have. I'm very happy to have a chance to play with this thing, especially, like I said, days before, if not day before, Jedi. I should have put Jedi Survivor in my calendar. That's one thing I did not do. I apologize for that. But I love you. I appreciate you. And at this point, I'm going to leave you to your own devices. And may the Force be with you always. See you over on the live stream because we're geeking out 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at live.pirillo.com. See you later.